Hi, my name is Wana Zakira binti Tun Muhammad. My matric number is F2380654. I want to explain question number 2 and number 4. For question number 2, we have to know whether the equation have similarity or not. We make sure that if they do not have similarities, we can put log 10 both sides, right and left. So we put log 10 left and log 10 right. And then after we put log 10, we can drag the power at plus 4 and add into the front because we use the rule of logarithm. After that, we need to arrange x with x and log with log. So we transfer log 3.412 to the other side, become divide, so log 10. Log 10.0 log 10.015 divide by log 10. By log 10, 3.412. So we just need to key in calculator, key in log 10, put the number and divide the log 10, put the number 3.412. So we got the answer 1.2708. And then x plus 4 divide by x, just stay there. And then x in the terminator side, we can transfer to the right side, which is 1.2708x. So 1.2708x equal to x plus 4. So we collect the like term. Like term means the same variable, which is x. So 1.2708x minus x equal to 4. 1.2708x minus x become 0.2708x equal to 4. So we can find the x, which is 4 divided by 0.2708. So we got the answer, which is 14.769. For the question number 4, the question is determine the quadratic equation whose roots are square roots alpha and square root mu, where alpha and mu are the roots of the equation x squared minus 54x plus 36 equal to 0. So first thing first, first step is we need to know what is the formula of quadratic equation. So the formula is x squared minus sum of the roots, so product of the roots. So beside the x, this sum of the roots, which is our roots right now is alpha plus mu, is sum of the roots, which is 15, 4, and alpha times mu is product of the root, which is 36. We got 54, and 36 is because after equation that the question provide. So from that, we can find our new roots, which is square root of alpha and square root of mu. We can add both in the second step. We add both, which is square root alpha plus square root mu equal to how to solve this equation. We can put power to this square root because we want to make sure that square root is deleted and we don't want the square root appears. So we put the power to that sum. So we expand, we got alpha plus 2 square roots alpha mu plus mu. So alpha plus mu, we can combine, we can put bracket plus 2 square root alpha mu. So alpha mu, we can change the value, which is 54. We got 8 from our equation above, so we can put 54 plus 2 square root is 36. We can change this AU become 36. So we just calculate it and we got 62. So 62 is our sum of the roots. So right now, we want to find the product of the root. Product roots, we just need to multiply square roots of alpha times square roots of mu. So we combine together, just make one square root. So square root alpha times mu. So we changed the alpha mu to 36. So we got square root 36 become 6. So right now, we have some root 62 and product of root 6. So we can put into the equation x square minus 62 x plus 6 equal to 0.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elisa Akhila binti Muhammad Fauzi and my matrix number is F23A0319. So today I will explain question number 5, 6. So where I DIY a question similar to the question provided. So firstly, for question number 5, we will find the partial fraction for 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 4. So first we factor the denominator, which gives us x plus 2 times x minus 2. So next, we want to express 2x minus 3 over x plus 2 times x minus 2 as the sum of two simple fractions. So this gives us a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 2. So next, to get a common denominator, we cross multiply these two fractions, which gives us a times x minus 2 plus b times x plus 2. So here we eliminate the denominator since both sides are the same. So then we solve this equation. So we got 2x minus 3 equals a plus bx minus 2a plus 2b. So next, to solve for a and b, we need to form a system of equations by comparing the coefficients. So from the coefficient of x, we get a plus 2 equal a plus b equals 2. So and then from the constant, we get minus 2a plus 2b equals negative 3. So first we solve for a in term of b from the first equation, giving us a equals to 2 minus b. And then we substitute a equals 2 minus b into the negative 2a plus 2b equals negative 3, which then gives us the value of b, which is 1 over 4. So then we solve for a, and we got a equals to 7 over 4. So the partial fraction decomposition of 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 4 is 7 over 4 times x plus 2 plus 1 over 4 times x minus 2. So next, for question number 6, question number 5, 6 and 7 are based on chapter 2, equations and inequalities. So question number 6, we will solve the inequality x squared minus 3x minus 10 over more than 0. So for this inequalities, we will first factorize this quadratic expression into two binomial factors, which gives us x plus 2 and x minus 5. So next, we will use a table to analyze the inequality. We divide the real number line into intervals based on the roots of the factors, which is x plus 2, x minus 5, and x plus 2 times x minus 5. And then so this is the answer. This is a sign for each interval. So this is an example on how to solve the problems. So for the first box, we solve the x less than negative 2, and then we substitute plus 2 into the equation, which gives us x plus 2 less than 0. So then since the equation requested more than 0, so here the sign is negative. So and then we solve for all intervals, and then we got thus the solution of the inequality for x squared minus 3x minus 10 more than 0 or negative infinity comma negative 2 and 5 comma infinity.
I want to present you chapter 3 function and graph. Okay, first, the alleged population of Pak Ali form followed by the equation. T answer 3000 T plus 1, where T0, sketch and interpret the graph of the rabbit population. What X negative exists, Y negative exists. T answer 0.0 answer 0. T answer 0, T answer 0. Okay, lim, lim 3000 T plus 1 answer lim T over T1 plus T. Lim 3000 over 1 answer 3000 over 1 answer 3000 over 1 plus 0 and answer 3000. Okay, PT 3000 PT undefined. T answer negative 1. Optimum point, no optimum point. Okay, the answer y negative intercept is at 0.2500. Okay, and the rabbit population on Mr. Ali farm start at 2500 and this crashes over time approaching 0 as time goes to infinity. Okay, question 4 points relevant. Daily dose of the day. Figure 3 milligrams daily utilization rates. 30% of 70 remains. Let's you the amount of in the body at the day. D1 S1 0.70 plus 3. The answer 3. D2 S2 0.7 x x2 plus 3 0.7 x3 plus 3 plus 3. And the answer 0.7 2 x3 plus 0.7 x3 plus 3. Generalizing this platform, we get the amount of the body at the in. Day is 0.7. And for our series, A answer 3, R answer 0.7. So S 3 over 1.0.7, 3 over 0.3, and answer 10. The approximate quantity of the drug in the body of each day after the treatment has been administered over a long period is 10 milligrams. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Huzairi Datua. My metric number is 423B0833. And my question is 0.615. The question is the probability that the person has certain disease is 0.04. Medical diagnostics are available to determine whether the person actually has a disease. If a disease is actually present, the probability that the medical diagnostic test will give a positive result, indicating that the disease is present, is 0.90. If the disease is not actually present, the probability of a positive test result, indicating that the disease is present, is 0.02. Suppose that the medical diagnostic test has given a positive result, indicating that the disease is present. What is the probability that the disease is actually present? What is the probability of a positive result? And the answer is let D is an event of disease present. So D apostrophe is an event of disease is not present, and let T is an event of positive result. So T apostrophe must be an event of negative result. And then D 0.04, D apostrophe 1 minus 0.04, and we get 0.96. And then T and D is 0.90, T and D apostrophe 0.02. And then just fill in the information into the equation. You get 0.90 bracket to 0.0t, divide 0.90 bracket to 0.03 plus 0.02 bracket to 0.97, and then 0.96, sorry, and then we get the answer is 0.779. So for next question, 16. The classroom contains 40 tables, of which 5 are known to be defective. If a technician select 2 of these tables at random, determine the probability at least one of them is defective. So to determine the probability that at least one of these 2 tables selected by a technician is defective, we can follow this step first. Total number of ways to select two tables from 40. So 40 multiply to 39 divide to multiply to 1, and then the answer is 780. Second, the number of ways to select two non-defective table from the 35 non-defective table. 35 multiply to 34 divide to multiply to 1, and then the answer is 595. Next, number of ways to select two tables such that at least one is defective. Total ways minus two ways to select two non-defective table, and then 780 minus 595, and then the answer is 185. Lastly, probability that at least one of the table is defective. We can use this formula. Number of favorable outcomes divide to total number of outcome. 185 divide to 780, and then we get the answer is 0.237. That's all. Thank you.